Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're at Plaza Motors to look at the Lexus NX 300. It's a 2020 model. Check out the optional roof rack. You can put it on and take it off with your key, so it's lockable. Let's check it out. Here we go.
So let's review the 2020 Lexus NX 300, featured here in Caviar with brown leather trim seats. This example is offered by Plaza Lexus in St. Louis. We actually did a video on this 3 weeks ago with a different model, same year, 2020, but we had a viewer, Sean, who requested this specific vehicle. He was interested in a lockable roof rack, so we're going to show more of that in a little bit. For additional information, Sean, you can contact Trey. His information is listed below. As we move around to the passenger side, the great view of the passenger side of the vehicle. We have electronic heated power folding outside mirrors. The turn signals are built into the mirrors. As far as wheels and tires, 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped with all-season 225 60R 18-inch tires. We move around to the front. We have LED high beam, LED headlights, the daytime running lights, as well as LED fog lights. On the tail lights, they're LED as well as dual exhaust. As we move into the interior, we have a great look at these leather seats. Really pop. I think that's what Sean was really interested in, and the information that he sent me. The driver's compartment, it does have rear dual zone, front and rear heating and cooling. Power driver's seat, power passenger seat, heated and vented power driver's and passenger seat. We've got a lot of features on this vehicle. So there you see the dual zone climate control. Great look at the center stack, the touchpad. And here's a great look at the power passenger seat. And the power moonroof. There you can see the lockable roof rack. We'll show more of that in a little bit. We have blind spot information system, wireless phone connectivity, automatic climate control, you see there. Great look at the steering wheel. It's a leather wrapped and heated steering wheel. There's the power moonroof. As we move around, there's the protection. Brand new vehicle, so they want to protect that sill. Great look at the power driver's seat. Seats are very comfortable, and that leather is very soft. Here's a look at the center stack. As you can see there, the steering wheel, it has paddle shifters. It is a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. You can see there. Memory seats, as well as power windows, power mirrors. Great look at the driver's door controls. Power lift gate, touch of a button there. Driver's cluster, push button start and stop. We have Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa capability, voice command plus Siri, eyes free, and Google Voice. Intuitive parking assist. Kind of hard to see with the glare, but we're going through using the touchpad, going through the functionality of the multimedia system. It has navigation plus a 10.3-inch multimedia touch screen. and 10 speaker premium sound. We have blind spot monitoring with cross traffic alert. Remote engine start. Here we see the mirrors. When you put the vehicle in reverse, the mirrors tilt. When you put it back in park, they go back to your previous settings. Remote engine start, remote power liftgate, dual zone climate control with interior air filter. Here's the power heated seats as well as vented seats. On a hot day, the vented seats are really, really nice. There's a great look at the dual zone climate control. Proximity keyless entry. There's the touchpad. Little cubby there for additional storage. As well as the center console, have a nice little tray there. And in addition to that, we have additional power outlets in the center console. Electronic parking brake. Great look at the steering wheel controls. There's the paddle shifters. There we're powering the vehicle off, just so you can see what it looks like when you power it back on. At the end of the video, we do a little bit of extra footage on the roof rack. That was to answer Sean's specific questions. Really nice roof rack. There's the touchpad. And you can navigate to a point of interest on the map. Another shot of the backup camera. There's a power lift gate. And we'll show more of the power lift gate at the end of the video, but it is remote control with your key fob. We have carpeted floor mats as well as all-weather floor mats for the vehicle. It is a power hatch. There's a power folding mirrors. When you lock the vehicle, the mirrors automatically fold in, which is great when you're parking in a tight parking lot or in your garage. Another angle. As far as the engine, we'll show that here in a moment. There's a remote rear hatch. Opening, closing. The sticker price on this vehicle is $46,787. We have a 2.0 liter twin turbocharged engine producing 235 horsepower. Gives you 22 city, 28 highway. It's a 6-speed automatic transmission.